why I have a second alternative. This is a stronger alternative, so let's do it. We're gonna go to the ACAD file inside AutoCAD, and then we're gonna rename it. For instance, I'll rename it acad.2. Now I'll grab the ACAD back file and simply rename it, removing the back text. Now this file became my new ACAD file. Then we will have to go to the AutoCAD and type CUILOAD. Now we're gonna select the new ACAD file that we just created or rename it, and open it, and finally load it. And boom, we have our ribbon ready now, showing in AutoCAD.